Hi, you are now watching the OTOP series on every Monday morning. And pay attention, there is no other media group like Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp or WeChat that we share this market opinion. This valuable market opinion is only shared on every Monday morning in OTOP, only right here in YouTube. And this market opinion is going to help you do a wonderful stock pick after you do your homework. Stay tuned and I shall be right back. Once again, this is the Monday morning, 9 a.m. and this is the OTOP episode right here waiting for you. And today, we are on the 8th of May year 2023 and this is the OTOP series 141. And welcome back. And before we start, as usual, like us and don't forget to share this video out to all the people that you care for and let them know the good news is always around the corner on a Monday morning, 9 a.m. All right. Well, last week, a quick run through on what the market experienced. All right, last week we have the U.S. Federal Reserve increasing the interest rates of 25 basis points. All right, then followed by European Central Bank also increased the benchmark rate by 25 basis points. All right, and on Friday, as you can see here, okay, the U.S. non-farm payrolls grew 253,000 new jobs in April. All right, beating the estimate, a good sign, and Dow Jones jumped more than 500 points. Closing price for Dow Jones is 33,674 and gained 546 points. And S&P closing price 4136, okay, up 75 points, while the Nasdaq gained 289 points. Closing price 12,235. But then again, when we are looking at the higher interest rates and stronger payroll, that's supposed to be inflation, all right, still growing. Well, bond yields are expected to go up, and we are quite surprised why Dow Jones gained more than 500 points, and we believe that the Dow Jones or the stock indexes should be coming down this week. Right, so this is for the week 8 May year 2023. All right, very quickly before we go into the revision of last week and what we're going to share today. All right, stay tuned with us, okay, just for 10 minutes. And very quickly, let's take a look at the gold prices. Well, gold prices went up above $2,000 per ounce again, and closing price on Friday was $2024, okay, and down $30.80. Well, which is why we're expecting Dow Jones to fall, and gold prices and silver prices should continue to correct this week as dollar was strengthened due to the inflation heat. Well, the oil prices, WTI crude was trading pretty low, closing price at $71.32 on Friday and up only $2.76. Well, let's come to the revision on last week, OTOP 140, where we actually shared 2318 listed company trading in Hong Kong, and that there is Ping An Insurance. All right, well, congratulations for those people who actually picked up this counter. Last week was a short week. All right, Monday was Labor Day in Hong Kong and the market only traded for 4 days. But looking at the chart here, all right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and Thursday was a shorter, and Friday was still closing higher at Hong Kong dollar $60.05. All right, if you ask me what should you do with these stocks if you are running on a floating profit, all right, I think hold on for one more week, okay, just one more week. I think it's a hold, and prices should continue to climb this week and hit the double top at 65 Hong Kong dollars before you find an exit. All right, so after the revision, let's come to the OTOP 141 for the 8th May year 2023. Okay, and what are we going to talk about this week? As you know that we mentioned earlier, this week we're expecting dollar index probably will do some technical recovery. Gold prices, silver prices, well, will be trading on the lower side, and the stock indexes also will ebb lower. So what are we looking at this week? We do not want to be involved in any commodity or mining stocks, but there's one stock here on Friday that has shown a little bit of uprun, and we strongly believe that this week it will continue to go higher. And what is that? We are coming to the Nasdaq again, the US. All right, Nasdaq. Well, this is a popular stock that most of you will know him. All right, the founder, which is not a stranger, as well as all the electric car drivers. And yes, okay, that is Tesla. All right, Mr. Elon Musk. Well, if you look at this day chart, all right, on Friday there was a spike up, closing price at 170.09. Okay, US dollars is pretty expensive, but there's room to grow. All right, as you can see on the day chart, it has been coming down since year 2021 from $413 top side until the recent low 2023 January, where it was trading at about 104 US dollars and now trading 170. All right, this pattern that coincides with the momentum shows, well, potential run up. Well, if you don't believe me, it doesn't matter, do some homework and let's take a look at the week chart. Okay, weekly chart, I think it's going to hover around, like what we mentioned, at about 180, and perhaps it could be moving up to $200 over the near term as the weekly momentum is climbing up. And most importantly, let's take a look at the 4-hour time scale. All right, 4-hour time scale, 4-hour here. There was a crossing on Friday, okay, before the market closed, and the EMA 420 just showed some strength. Okay, momentum was also building up, so there is a strong probability on Tesla counter to climb up this week. All right, if you see here on the top side is about 190 as our first target. All right, so Tesla is perhaps our market opinion for OTOP 101, and that's for 8 May year 2023. And take a look at this, okay, and we hope it can back us some profits and some pocket monies for this week. All right, OTOP 101, OTOP 141, I'm sorry, 141. All right, and don't forget to comment every Monday morning. Stay tuned. All right, we shall always share our market opinions. Stay tuned, and I shall be back.